Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alex Wong and welcome to my channel Travel with Alex Wong. Today I wanted to tell you guys about a good friend of mine. His name is Michael Loong. He is a talented artist. In my opinion, I think so, and I hope you guys think so as well. This is his Instagram page, TomKiss483. If you guys haven't done so yet, please click that follow button to follow him on Instagram and show him some love. As you guys scroll through his Instagram page, you will see a lot of great artwork that he has done over the course of this year. Like all his content, share his content with your friends and family, strangers, and show him some love so we can help this guy gain a lot of exposure, so a lot of people will know who he is and just see how talented of an artist he is. And I hope you guys enjoy this video coming up right now.
Still good, right? Okay, so this is what about artists, okay? So the longer we draw, right? We cannot tell it's good or not until people tell it, or we take a break and we come back and then we spot our mistake. Like you tell me this, I don't see mistake. But if I come back I'll spell a lot of mistake. I think. Not bad. This is my drawing. Man, it's good, man. Guys, hope you enjoyed my drawing video all through my process, and then if you like this video, please like it and comment below and subscribe to Alex Wong Travel, and please follow me on my Instagram. Thank you, and if you like me to draw anything on the future, just comment them below, and I hope this inspire you. Thank you very much.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.